Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an event block in Klaviyo, which is super useful for showing personalized products, dynamic content, or tracking specific customer actions in your emails. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Klaviyo email. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to Flows or Campaigns. Choose the email you want to edit or create a new email. Click Edit Email to open the drag and drop editor. Step 2. Add a new block. In the email editor, look at the left-hand panel. Drag a text block or image block into your email if you want to place it somewhere specific. To make it dynamic based on an event, click the block and select Insert Dynamic Content, Event Block. Now choose the event you want to track, such as Added to Cart, Viewed Product, or Placed Order. This tells Klaviyo to display content or products based on that specific customer action. Step 4. Configure the event block. Choose how many items to display, for example, 1 to 5 products. Set the layout, horizontal or vertical. Optionally, set fallback content in case the customer hasn't triggered the event yet. This ensures your email always looks good. Step 5. Preview and test. Click Preview and choose a test profile. Make sure the dynamic content from the event displays correctly. Check images, product names, and links to ensure everything works. Step 6. Save and send. Once everything looks perfect, click Save. Now your email will automatically show personalized content based on the event, like recently added products or viewed items. And that's it. You've successfully added an event block in Klaviyo. This feature helps you send personalized, high-converting emails to your customers. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.